Hi, my name's Sarb, Johal, and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to be talking about a leadership strategy that doesn't get a lot of airtime. I'm talking about when playing to your strengths might actually get you into trouble. You've been to that get-together, right? You have a charming friend who entertains everyone with their latest travel adventure and their theory on how if we only looked at how the strategy of the Night King in the Game of Thrones was unfolding, we would understand more about how the world is right now and what will happen next. We've all been to that get-together. It's fun, but you think that somehow something wasn't quite right. Until one of the other guests is totally on point with the problem. In more than 2 hours, that charming friend didn't ask a single question. Now, I might have expected that from a self-absorbed narcissist, but he doesn't fit that bill. He actually goes out of his way to recognize others and give credit where it's due. However, one thing that he and others who might behave like this share is that they are dynamic speakers. On a stage, they're at their best when they're interesting, but in a small gathering, that same quality made them come across as uninterested. It wasn't because their social skills are weak. It was because they were misusing their greatest strength. Now, Aristotle argued that virtues lie between deficiency and excess. And there's a growing body of evidence suggesting that success doesn't come from playing to your strengths. It comes from playing to your strengths in the right situations and at the right time. In an interesting study, managers were rated by over 1,500 of their co-workers on 4 key leadership behaviors: taking charge, empowering others, creating a vision, and executing. The researchers asked a Goldilocks question: did their managers do too little, the right amount, or too much of each behavior? Now, more than half of the managers were overdoing at least one leadership behavior, and their strengths predicted which one. Ambitious managers tended to overdo decisiveness and underdo empowerment. Sensitive managers had the opposite problem. They were too encouraging and not forceful enough. Inquisitive managers overemphasized innovation and underemphasized results. And conscientious managers did the reverse. They were so busy trimming the weeds that they paid too little attention to the big picture. So strengths are like muscles. If you only focus on your triceps, your biceps will suffer. As Melinda Gates put it recently, often our greatest weaknesses are the other side of our strengths. If one of your strengths is openness, remember that there's a fine line between sharing and oversharing. If you have a flair for determination and audacity, watch out for moments when you're imposing on others. And if you're a spellbinding storyteller, you need to ask whether a small, intimate gathering is the ideal time to perform. Confidence comes from recognizing your strengths, but true power depends on knowing when and how to use those strengths. Thanks for watching my video. If you found it useful, please like the video and consider sharing with others. I've got more videos like this and on other topics too, so remember to hit that subscribe button at the bottom right of the video. Or just make sure you don't miss out by hitting the bell icon, and you'll also get a notification when I publish a new video. Thanks again for watching, and see you